Today, I'm gonna be bringing you on a 36-hour journey from Toronto to Winnipeg on Via Rail. 36 hours with this guy. Is this your first time on the train? Nope. So the train that we'll be taking for the next 36 hours is called the Canadian. And on it, I'll show you the sleeper car, dining hall, introduce you to some new friends, and even start a dance party. But the train journey doesn't start on the train. It starts all the way back here in Toronto at Union Station. And the reason why is because we're staying in a sleeper cabin tonight, which means we have access to some pretty cool amenities like the Via Rail Business Class Lounge. Just went to pick out our meal times. 12:45 p.m. for lunch, 7 p.m. for dinner. Good thing I brought snacks, because I don't think 2's enough. 36 hours today. Oh yeah. It's 7:30 a.m. We will be arriving in Winnipeg at the minimum 9:30 p.m. tomorrow. Not today, tomorrow. That means effectively we're spending a full day on the train. I was thinking we'd come to the business lounge and we'd be met with a lot of food and drinks. Turns out there's no food. So there are only 3 real options to eat here. There's Starbucks, there's McCafe, McDonald's, and Tim Hortons. And I usually have gone with Tim Hortons on this trip. It gives you the energy that you need, especially when you're in a rush, because I don't even have time to eat this. I gotta get on the train. See you later, Toronto. Winnipeg, I'm coming for you. So the train that I'll be riding today is called the Canadian. It is Via Rail's longest train, and in fact, Canada's longest train ride. And it goes all the way from right here in Toronto to Vancouver. So as part of my Cross Canada series, I will indeed be taking this train until the end destination of Vancouver. But this video specifically is from Toronto to Winnipeg. Isn't that kind of crazy to think just how big Canada is? I mean, 36 hours only gets you to the next province over. But that just means there's a lot more time for new adventure. Now I'm running because we're the last ones to board. I think we gotta get on. Check out this room. Oh my lord. Look at this. We have 2 chairs. Big window. This is a drinking water tap, different from the tap where you're washing your hands. Of course, a little bit of art. That's beautiful. A nice little fan. Ah, cool. So these are shower essentials, which means we have access to a shower on this train. Not only that, but because I'm sleeping alone, I get 2 shower accesses. Oh my god, look at the bathroom. It's just you and the toilet. I don't think I've ever been in such an enclosed space, but I think I like it, especially that I'm alone and I don't have to worry about anyone over here smelling what they might smell. Okay, buddy, it's just you and me in the room. You want the window or you want the aisle? The aisle? Yeah, I'll take the window. Sure. Ah, so nice to travel with someone who doesn't complain. God, I wonder what Mike's up to in room C. Hey. You have 2 chairs also?
You have 2 chairs too?
We have 4 chairs.
4 chairs between the 2 of us? That's great. You're coming. You got a chair. I've got a chair.
Friends off the train.
And on the train.
And on the train.
Friendship.
Well, this is the lounge car. This is great. They have a lot of outlets here, and then you've got tons of places to just hang out and sit. You can look in any direction you want. God, there's so much room here. There's so much room.
Okay, friends. Friendship. Remember, just friends.
So this is the dome car. Well, this is what it looks like from the outside, and it offers you a panoramic view of everything around you. You guys see what's right above me right now? The CN Tower. God, that's gotta be the best view you can get of it. What's cool is that we go from the biggest city in Canada to the prairies. So you're gonna see the landscape change all throughout, and that's gonna be an exciting change, especially for me, since I've never even seen them in the first place. Mike, you know what time it is?
Lunchtime?
Oh yeah. So this is the dining hall. This is where all the meals are eaten. It's based off of what the rail cars used to look like back in the 1950s. I feel like the experience is just nostalgic. It brings you back to what it was like in the old times, because this is really how travel was. This was the epitome of luxury, and we get to enjoy that 3 meals a day. Most important is what's on the menu. Pulled pork sandwich, shrimp and scallop pasta, and a veggie burger. For starters, we get chicken soup,
Pulled pork sandwich, view of the lake.
cheers.
Cheers, buddy. And thanks to you for joining us as well to fall in Ontario. Cheers.
5 o'clock somewhere, right?
We're gonna keep on cheersing.
My one complaint about the train so far is that you're sitting virtually the entire time, which is terrible for your health. I mean, there's a dining car, there's a lounge car, there's a dome car. What about a gym car via rail? Either way, I'm defying train norms and going for a walk. Is there Wi-Fi by chance on this train?
No, there isn't.
How do you feel about the no Wi-Fi?
I feel good because you know what? This is the only screen I want to be looking out of. You young kids these days, all about your devices.
That's right. Can't get away from
Says Joanne from her phone right now.
I'm checking to see if I got any emails.
I'm all excited. I'm ready to ride the train, and we're riding now, and I don't know what to do.
How about I tell you a few jokes? What's brown and sticky?
A stick.
Oh shit, you've been on that site too? Knock knock.
Come in. Is that not how the joke goes?
Are you having fun?
I'm having fun. I feel like I'm in the landscape.
I'm the only guy who can't speak right now. Is your mouth stuck to the thing? My mouth is stuck to the thing.
You broke me.
Fresh air after 9 hours on this train. So they gave us 25 minutes. It's 5:50 to 6:15 that we can get off the train. Everyone is up there just chilling by the train, and I decided to come back down here near the river. I think that whenever the train stops and you get a chance to go outside, it's so important to take advantage of that. But the train's got to keep rolling, so we got to get back on. All right, so it's dinner time, and Andy is joining us.
He's visiting from Switzerland, chose to take the train across Canada. Now we've become friends.
Oh,
Thank you, Jeff.
Oh, this is definitely a well-sized meal. Oh, I can't wait.
What a plate. Well, bon appetit.
You ordered the trout, you said.
No, you did. you saw my plate and we want to change. No.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers. Cheers. It turns out that I won't be so hungry after all. They're actually feeding me super well. But I know that not everyone has the luxury of the sleeper car and the dining car. So the sponsor of today's video, Gusta Foods, is a great snack to pick up on any Canadian adventure. Gusta is a Canadian company that makes sausages, pate, and other vegan products, all of which are pre-cooked and super simple to use. I straight up eat these almost every single day. I really do believe in these products. But maybe the best part of it is that Gusta's products are available in stores across Canada, in the tofu and vegetarian aisles. Thank you, Gusta, for supporting me as I continue to travel across Canada. Now let's get back to the train. It's time to make use of this and take a shower. That's right, when I say a shower, I literally mean a shower. This train offers you the opportunity to take a shower upon reservation, and it's all located right at the end of the hall. Oh yeah, come in here. You've got exactly as advertised, shower head, the knob to start the temperature. So I've done as much as I can to show you the shower, but I'm not gonna show you the whole shower, but just speed it up. Okay, much better. Now I will say the only quirky thing about taking a shower on a train is when you think you're trying to wash your thigh, well, your hand might slip into your bum. But besides that, very cool experience. You can just feel the day starting, and you know it's going to be a good day, but every day needs to start with the right foundation. So before I get started, I got a few things that I need to take care of.
I think for every day to be a great day requires friendship.
If you just get a little creative with it, you can move the chairs over. And now we've got a full square space to work out. This is not upside down, this is a handstand in a train. You can get your workout in anywhere. You just gotta have the right mindset. The best news is I burn 100 calories. That's incredible. On a train, on a moving train, you can still get your heart rate up and get a sick workout in. I think if you've got 36 hours on a train, the best thing you can do is start working on yourself, because there's no chance with no service and no Wi-Fi that you'll have enough things to do. So why not try practices like this?
Dude, we're coming to a stop. We got so much to do, let's go.
Okay. We only have a few hours left on board, and one of my goals on this trip was to get out of my comfort zone and try something new. So for my last hurrah, I'm going to try and start a dance party. I was thinking of making a dancing segment where I would just incorporate everyone or people on the train. Okay, so this is the song. It's a copyright-free song. Would you be open to it? No? I have a move for you though. We have a train move that I made fun of Mike for because he loves train. Go chugga 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 choo choo chugga 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 chugga. It would just require just this. Sure. Karen, if you want to come here, Sandy, if you want to go there. Okay, ready? Back in town. Welcome to Manitoba. Well, it's nice to meet you guys.
Yeah, you too.
Safe travels.
Nice to meet you both.
Nice to meet you as well. Thank you for making our trip really special.
Guys, I can't believe you're doing this. I know, Ken.
You were like the main part of our fun.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. You're a good person.
It was nice to meet you.
This was my first time on a long train ride, and honestly, I did not know what to expect coming in. But after these 36 hours, I'm excited to get back on the train. Now, riding the train through Canada is longer and arguably more difficult to endure than any other type of transportation, but it does come with a luxury that nothing can beat: the luxury of time. By making new friends, getting creative, seeing the back roads of Ontario, and spending most of my time without cell service, I was able to disconnect from the world and focus on what matters most: relationship.
All right.
We have arrived. Welcome to Manitoba. Welcome to Winnipeg. And as this video ends, the next video will soon begin because this is the beginning of province number 7 of 10. Coming up in Manitoba, I'm heading behind the scenes with Canada's $1.1 million spa, meeting a brilliant set of Indigenous chefs, learning how to curl at the world's best curling club, and discovering the largest Icelandic settlement outside of Iceland. So if you're excited for that, well, consider subscribing because that is coming up in the next episode. I'm Will, and it's a mindset. I'll see you for the next one on the curling rink.